This weekday needs some picking up. What's life without a little excitement? Don't pretend my ideas suck. How can you say you don't like it if you never tried it? Let's get a little bit crazy. 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 Yeah. Let's get a little bit crazy. Let's get a little bit crazy. Yeah. Let's get a little bit crazy. Let's get a little bit crazy. Yeah. Let's get a little bit crazy. Stupid love and music's all we need. Now's the time to get wavy, foolish. Let's just do this while we're still young and free. Let's get a little bit crazy, a little bit wild. Let's be spontaneous for once in our lives. Act a little bit stupid, a little bit dumb. Let's not look back when we're older and regret it. Let's get a little bit crazy. Let's get a little bit crazy. Yeah. Let's get a little bit crazy. Let's get a little bit crazy.
Hey, how are you guys?
Fine, thank you.
Yeah, what's going on?
We are keeping this photo booth here. We can take pictures of people with our camera, and then we hang the pictures on a wall.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
Let's in there. Yeah, I can follow you.
Yeah,
Where's the wall?
it's here.
Just do a test. So, hey, we're at the Aalto Design Factory, and I'm here with. Who are you?
Oh,
Oh, do you remember?
hey, yeah, let's do that again.
Yeah. So, who are you?
I'm Alexandra.
Yeah.
I'm CEO of Designerly.
Good. And what do you do?
So we are creating an educational program for high school students.
Yeah. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Aalto.